A beef sirloin roast can be enjoyed as a traditional roast beef dinner, or the beef can be thinly sliced and used in sandwiches or served with a salad. Any way you prefer to eat it, the key is cooking it to the ideal internal temperature and making sure it does not dry out in the process. Convection is ideal for roasting meats because foods cooked in convection have better moisture retention, which equals better flavor. When we roast larger cuts of meat in convection, we always place them on a rack in a shallow pan. Placing the meat on a rack prevents the heat of the pan from leaching moisture from the meat, and the shallow pan allows the circulating heat of convection to evenly cook the meat. Now, because convection cooks from the edge to the center, a moderate cooking temperature will prevent uneven cooking. I'm cooking this roast at 325 degrees. And it should be perfectly brown by the end of the cooking time. If not, I can always add a short blast of high heat for additional browning. The big question, of course, is timing, and you can't always rely on the timing in a recipe because every oven is different and they all cook differently. If your oven is equipped with a meat probe, using the probe and placing it in correctly will give you accurate results. Wireless thermometers are expensive, but a good option if your oven is not equipped with a probe. Once the probe registers the programmed internal temperature, the oven will turn off, so be sure to remove the meat at that time to avoid drying out as the oven cools down. However, as with all roasts, the meat does need to rest for at least 15 minutes before slicing. This is a simple, flavorful recipe that illustrates the benefit of cooking lean, tender cuts of meat at a lower temperature for the best results. Remember, we need heat to cook food, but too much heat destroys food. So take it low and slow, and you will appreciate the results. Hi, I'm Larissa, your convection enthusiast. Convection cooking can make you a better cook. Check out my videos, and I think you'll find that you'll do really, really well. And please like and subscribe.